Hi friends, welcome to ICBSR group. Today we will discuss about the top trending jobs in upcoming days and areas of preparation to tackle these job opportunities, to grab these job opportunities. In series 1, we will discuss one of the job opportunities, which one trending nowadays. The job opportunities is in the field of digital marketing. Believe me, digital marketing is going to be viral and very demand in upcoming days. By viewing the present environmental conditions, every organization and every company bound to have digital marketing department and digital marketing positions. So, if you are a student in digital marketing or you are a job searcher in digital marketing, then there is ample of opportunities you will find, but interviewer or company or organization only hire the person who is suitable for their organization, who gives value to the organization. Before going to start, how to prepare, what are the questions you have to prepare, how to answer these questions, we need to know what is digital marketing. This is a common question asked by the interviewer. What is digital marketing? So, digital marketing is the brand marketing tactics through the internet. This digital marketing happens through internet. It includes various techniques like SEO, SEM, and link building. As per Wikipedia, digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet. As per our traditional marketing, it added a value to the marketing to reach faster, to provide faster service to customer, to advertise the brand, to advertise the product in a faster way. Digital marketing helps a lot, and online based digital technologies, it uses the online based digital technology as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Now, if you are a job searcher or a student in digital marketing, you want to build a career in digital marketing, then what are the questions generally interviewers ask? You need to prepare some questions. And the first question is, explain what is SEO, what can you do for us? Means, what can you do for the company by using SEO? So you can answer these questions by in this way. Dear sir, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. When you answer what can do for us, you need to be very careful and answer is for the organization's benefit. You can answer by improving quality of the traffic. I attract all the potential visitors in the world, and I once I improve the quality, it automatically helps to improve the quantity of traffic. A simple techniques when you go for an interview, you behave like you are the right candidate for the interviewer. Don't behave like you are needy for the job or you are only a job searcher. So, answer questions like what can you do for them so that the interviewer thinks you are the right candidate. Then the next question is explain what is a keyword in digital marketing. So you have to answer the questions by saying, sir, keyword in digital marketing is the word that a user or person enters into a search engine to find specific information. If you know the answer to the questions, add some value to the questions, add some modifications on your answers. You can add the answers with what can you do for them by using keywords. So you add this, I will learn quickly your business operation or your business process and use specific keywords from your business of search engine optimization to improve your search engine optimization. Then the third question is explain what is PPC or pay per click advertisement. To answer to these questions, you say like that pay per click, a model of internet marketing or digital marketing in which advertisers pay fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Added to this, you use what can you do, what can you help with this specific questions relate to organization. You say, I can use this marketing model where there is a instance response required from your customers. So it sends value that you care about the organization, you want to develop the organization, you have a uh, learning attitude in your internal. So in presenting your interview in front of the interviewer, it is very important that you maintain your attitude. So subject is not very important. If you know the concept, if you know the fundamentals, then you can relate these fundamentals to the organizations. That how can you help the interviewer always questions that is related to the organization or related to his company. So be careful that you answer the questions which is related to company. What can you benefits to the company? Then next question is name some channels to promote digital market. You have to name some of the two, three, four, five names. So some of the channels are social media marketing, affiliated marketing, email marketing, display marketing, search marketing. Next question number five is name some useful online marketing tools. So you have a basic knowledge that what are some online marketing tools. Some of the online marketing tools are Google Analytics, Keyword Discovery, Digital Point Keyword Tracker, XML Sitemap Generator, Fifthone Generator. These are the some useful questions, usually asked questions in interview, especially for digital marketing. For today, we close this lesson, we close this series, and in this series 2, we come up with new questions, new ideas on digital marketing. Keep an eye with our channel. We update regularly topics related to career, related to interview. Thanks for watching ICBSR Group.